Hi, welcome to TechTime with Kayla. Today we're at our Global Series production line where Terrance, our manufacturing engineer, is going to take us through the assembly and testing of our Global Series units.
So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to RTV1 our units. As you can see, this is our cap sub-assembly. Goes into our fixture. I hit the start button. What I'm doing now is I'm adding an RTV bead. Once this bead finished, I'm going to add my strobe dome. After my strobe dome is entered, I'm going to put a retaining ring on the inside. The purpose of this retaining ring is to make sure the dome and the cap doesn't come out. Once this process is finished, you can see I have a finished unit. So what we do next is we have to let this cure for 24 hours before we can actually go to our pressure test. So what we do is we log this information, we put a time stamp date on this process, and then we move to the second part, which is the pressure test. So here we have our visual cap. So what we're about to do is we're about to pressure test our unit. Goes inside our nesting. It's been locked in place. We shut the door for protection. Now, what's going to happen is we're going to build up some pressure to 236 psi. After it holds, it has to hold for 10 seconds. If it holds for 10 seconds and pass, we move to the next step. So our unit passed. For safety precautions, we'll let all the air evaporate out of the system, then the door will release itself. As you can see, this process takes between 2 to 3 minutes. Raise the door and release our switch. I have a unit that successfully passed our pressure test. The next part of our test will be visual. I have a circuit board and a strobe tube. I'm going to insert my strobe tube inside my circuit board. I have one already to be tested. As you can see, it passed our test. Once it passed our test, we insert inside the base unit. Once it's inside the base unit, we screw it down. As you can see, it doesn't move. Once that happens, we take our dome assembly, add it to our base, and now we have a completed strobe. After our unit is completely built, it goes to our quality rack where we have a 100% inspection.
For additional information on our Global Series signaling platform, visit our website at fedsig.com.